So here's a video of this Partington 2.5 by 10 thickness planer. You can see there's the, let's see if we can see it, yeah, Partington. And you can see that it has an underneath mounted electric motor, capacitor start. Belts are in relatively good shape. And you can see the drive pulley here drives a cutter head that has 3 knives on it. And you can see that as the cutter head rotates, the gear reduction drives the serrated in-feed roller, and then there's a smoother out-feed roller, and then the table adjustment is via this crank right here. So you can see that as we crank the wheel, the table goes down. I don't know if you can see inside, but essentially you can see that clean Acme threaded rod, and there's an angled diagonal casting that causes the table to ride up and down in 2 ways that are still very snug. The bearings seem to be okay. Everything, pardon me, the bearings seem to be tight. There doesn't seem to be any slop in any of the bearings. So it actually doesn't look as if it's been used all that much. There was some evidence of sawdust, but these bronze bearings, they seem to be in good nick, and the original wick material still seems to be there. So all in all, here's another view of, I guess, from the other side. This is the outfeed side. And I believe the motor is rated at, let's see if we can get in here. No, can't read it, but I think it's at least 1/2 to 3/4 of horsepower. Yeah, but it is a 3,450 RPM motor. So this thing spins at the rate that it should.